going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while. Two reasons. One, we had a baby, little baby Freya. She was born in December. Her and her mother are doing very well. Hopefully they'll be back on the boat sometime soon. Little Freya, she's already asking to come out, but too small. And the second reason is we sold the boat. The old tin is gone. It's no longer. We picked this one up last week, so currently still running the outboard in. This is a Quintrex 481 top ender, 75 Yamaha on the back. Just about to finish our second hour of running in, which means after that we can give it full throttle, but only for 5 minutes at a time. So we will get it up to some speed today, which will be good. I'll show you guys. Not going to talk too much about the boat today though. Just out here running it in. I'm going to have a fish, whatnot, try and get a barra. We'll do a review video. It's already been requested that we do one on the boat and stuff, but that'll be after 3 to 6 months after we've seen how it performs in all conditions. So yeah, it's good to be back. Feels good. Hopefully we can catch a fish today. First fish on the new boat. Hopefully it's a barramundi. Had stacks of rain. If you've been watching the weather, you probably know that far north Queensland has been getting absolutely pelted with rain, so the water's very brown. But I've heard there's still some fish getting caught, so we're going to try our best. Let's do it. Just like that, we've almost got 3 hours on the boat. Goes quick. Just got the electric in, first time. Seems to be moving the boat along pretty well. There's not much tide at the moment, but we'll see how it goes. I think it's going to be fine, to be honest. But yeah, quick rundown of the boat. Side console, sounder flush mounted in, nice big cast deck. I've got some fenders on. I'm a bit scared of hitting the pontoon at the moment. Nice big storage, battery storage up the front, more storage in the floor. It does have 2 seats, but I've taken one out just when I'm by myself, don't need it. Live bait tank, more storage. Yeah, just a lot more room, a little bit bigger, a lot more stable than the old tin. Just safer overall. That's what we were going for, especially when we're going out to the reef and whatnot. And once the young one, she starts coming as well, it's going to be a lot better. It's going to open up a lot more opportunities for us as well, which is good. Yeah, I'm just having a lot of fun driving around, to be honest. I'm going to do some fishing now, see what we can get, but I'm not too fussed. Bushman's. Overhanging tree, didn't see that. water's so brown. Geez, I haven't been fishing for a while. Tell ya. It's weird not having the sounder there anymore. Have to get a second one. It's definitely warm. This lure here, it's one that I made myself. Little 100mm. It's a bit of a deep diver with that big bib on the front. Try and show you how it swims, but because it dives so deep, it's quite hard. Sort of just suspends in the water, dives down. Yeah, it's hard to see because how far it dives. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm going to give that a go. If I catch a fish on this, I'll be very happy. You might be cut short here, guys. That doesn't look good. I think that's coming this way. Oh no, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna go home, guys. We just got rained on. There's more showers coming and there's no fish. I just checked a few other spots and there's a fair bit of bait around, but just nothing big. Checked a few deeper holes. Spoke to one other guy. He said he's been trolling all morning, hasn't had a touch, so that's just fishing. Might be too much fresh, I guess. Oh well, there's a bit of good weather coming, a couple of days, so I might head out a bit further, see if there's anything around. It's just good. I wanted to get out and give the motor a run in. What are we at now? 4 hours. Yeah, just drive around, see how it goes. It's been going really well, so pretty happy with that. Just wanted to show you guys as well, and just wanted to let you know that there should be some more episodes coming out. Probably not every week at this stage, but there will be more coming, so stay tuned. I'm going to head home now. Pretty flat, so we might give it the berries on the way home. Let's go. There she is, all filthy. It's ruined. It's dirty. Take it back. And there she is. Hello. So grumpy. It's because I didn't bring you fish home, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Next time. Maybe Friday? Yeah? Yeah? What do you reckon?
I'd love some fish.
Yeah. Especially because Woolies is pretty much empty. Probably should have tried harder. Anyway, as I said, there'll be more videos coming soon. Probably not every week, but there'll definitely be more. Hey, once you can start to come.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
See ya.
You can clean the boat.
No.